A father's tears and fears are unseen. His love is unexpressed, but his care and protection remains as a pillar of strength throughout our lives. Good morning to everyone present here. A father's love for his children is just like oxygen for survival. He is a man who works diligently and tirelessly every day just to keep his family happy and safe. He is a man who takes up all the responsibilities and work hard to do better the condition of the family. Today we are celebrating Father's Day. Although we don't need a specific date to celebrate the most important man in our life. In the country, every father got his special day, and that is Father's Day. Wishing you all a wonderful Father's Day. Let us give our thanks to Creator God for the fathers in our lives. And start today's morning assembly. Get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, we pray that we continue to respect our father for the role that God has given him in our life. Pledge of Allegiance stands for the freedom that our country has fought for. Being a citizen of India, it is our duty to be loyal to our country, defend this beautiful land and take pride in the virtues our country stands for. Let us take a vow. Get ready for pledge. After pledge, someone said that a father is neither an anchor to hold us back, nor a sail to take us there, but a guiding light whose love shows us the way. He is the first man we all have ever loved. He is a pillar of strength and our protector. Words are not sufficient to describe this personality, and we have to move the next part of morning assembly, that is thought of the day. For this, I would like to call Pakshalika from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Pakshalika. Today's thought is, I cannot think of any need in childhood as strong as the need for a father's protection. Thank you. Have a nice day. Afterthought, reading newspaper is to keep oneself abreast with the current affairs and latest developments. Due to shortage of time, we don't get time to read newspaper in the morning, but no worry. Here is Parth from class 8th with today's news headlines. Thank you, Parth, for news update. We are living in a society where fathers are similar to mothers in providing care to their children. That presence and effort is a bond that is very important between a father and their children. How important our dad is and how he has made a big impact in our life as we grow up to be a strong and confident person. So, here I would like to call Varnit from class 8th to say something on today's special occasion of Father's Day. Thank you, Varnit, for such a heart-touching speech. Patriotism is feeling of love, devotion and sense of attachment for the country. For our country, we feel proud and serve her as our duty. National anthem instills a sense of nationalism and patriotism among people, and we are at the end of today's morning assembly. So get ready for national anthem and start. After national anthem, dear friends, in day-to-day life we forget to care one person in our life that does not care about rain or sun but works for us all day long and does not care anything. Let us make him realize that he is the most special person in our life. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.